Here's 3 Trane XR12 central air conditioners. They're all made in 2002, and they're 1.5 ton. Just shut off. This one is a 2.5 ton. Alright, here's a Lennox ductless mini split running. It's a 1.5 ton. Not sure of the year. We got a heat controller right here, 10 seer. So this is an older one. This is also 1.5 ton. And we have this WeatherMaker by Trane with an LG compressor. This is from 2021 and that's a 3 ton. Probably replaced one of the XR12s. That's a 4 ton. All these are from 2002. This is a 2 ton. And that's a 2 ton. And this is a Ream Classic right there. Thanks for watching.